welcome to Vasulta Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the zodiac sign. Hmm, Virgos. Okay. Um, let's see what's coming up for you guys in the second half of December. Let's see. You are getting matured. You are going through a lot of healing. You are being silent enough, just going with the flow, and there's something happened in the past which really shook you off guard. Okay, and you're just going through a lot of transformation. You are going through a lot of guilt situations. You're experiencing a lot of situations like, okay, so yes, you are going through a lot of maturity phase. You are just going with the flow. Virgos, something happened in the past, or something is about to happen in your life which will shook you off guard. You have certain sort of guilts in your life related to either career or relationship or the people around you. You are going through a lot of experiences, major experiences you are going through. You are not trusting your inner voice or your intuition level a lot. Okay, you need to trust your intuition level a lot, to be honest. Okay, you need to trust your intuition level. You need to trust your inner voice a lot, to be very honest. If that's happened, like, your life is about to going to be changing completely. Wow, you're ready to take an action. The waiting game is over, but yeah, you are going to feel stuck for a while into a situation because your wish is not going to get fulfilled soon. Eventually it will take a bit of time. Okay, the second half of December also tells me about that you are going to feel stuck into a situation. If there is something which is not happening in your life, it is taking time. Let's see, if you want certain things to come, to come in your life, and you're feeling stuck into a situation for a while. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing, that in the second half of December you will feel stuck into a situation. You want to take an action, but you cannot take an action. That's the problem. Okay, the second thing is that you are going to be working a lot about your situation. You are going to work hard a lot into your situation. You are double of the hard work is required now to create your empire, to create your business, to become successful. Double of your hard work and energy will be required now. And I can say that there will be hidden truths, hidden secrets. There will be fearful energy, a bit of the situation related to whatever happened in the past, or whichever whatever is going to happen in the future. In the second half of December, you are going to be having a fearful energy, a bit of it. It may be that shock will be maybe a positive thing, maybe a negative thing, but that really will shook you off guard. Okay, so they I can say that a lot of you will be going through a lot of fearless energy. You are going to also understand and realize that there are a lot of people who are hiding truths around you. Okay, manipulative people, negative people, there will be a lot of hidden secrets, hidden truths will be revealed to you. Okay, there's a certain wish which is going to get fulfilled. It will take time, but there your wish is going to come to fruition. Your wish is going to get fulfilled very soon. Your manifestations will be going to come very soon. But yes, it will take a time of within next 8 months to 1 year. Your wish is going to come true, definitely. Okay, your manifestations are going to come true. Okay, your wish will be fulfilled very soon. I can also say that there is a major money offer will be coming to you. Major money offer, major money financial offer will be coming to you, and then that offer will be changing your life for a better. Okay, so if someone is offering you a major money offer, then things will be changed to you. Okay, I can also say that there will be you won't be trusting your intuition level a lot. Okay, trusting your intuition level is really important, but some of you won't be trusting your intuition level a lot. I would suggest you to trust your intuition level and hear your inner voice, because that will guide you correctly. I can also say that there will be a major financial offer, money related offer, which will be coming to you, Virgos, within next 1 year. Well, grab that opportunity, grab that particular, let's say, offer, okay, because that will change your life in a positive way when it comes to your financial independence, financial freedom, because it will give you good results, to be very honest. Okay, trust your intuition a lot. Okay, don't be like, you cannot trust your intuition level, and if you are trusting your intuition level, implement what I said as well. Okay, like whatever your intuition is telling you and guiding you correctly, implement it. Okay, let's see what are the universal messages to you. Okay, okay, universal messages. I chose love no matter what, so you chose love no matter what. Okay, I honor how I want to feel, so you can honor what you feel, whatever you are feeling, you can honor that. I choose love no matter what. You are going to choose love no matter what, Virgos. I do whatever it takes to get closer to the consciousness. So your third eye chakra is opening. You are understanding a lot of facts and figures about yourself, about the people around you. So you are going and you are reaching to an ascendant level of a spiritual path. Okay, which is very good. The next is my fearless freedom lights up the world. So if you are fearless, you are going to rule the world, you are going to dominate the globe, which is very good, because if you are fearless, then nothing can, stop you from being the most amazing person you are with yourself and to the people around you. Okay, so that is really an amazing thing. I can see that it's a very positive reading. It's just that a bit of a stuckness is there, which will take time to get fulfilled. You will be very much action oriented, and you need to trust your intuition level a lot. Apart from that, things are will be fine. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Bye bye, guys, and wishing you all a very happy new year, Virgos. May God bless you. May you achieve lots of success and happiness in life. Bye bye, guys. Take care.